my basement. To be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm gonna be painting a mannequin head and I'm gonna make an eyeball. So, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the eyeball. So what you're gonna need for this is you're gonna need a styrofoam ball, a picture of an iris, some styrofoam glue, or really any glue, doesn't really matter, an assortment of paints, and some gloss varnish. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get some white paint and just paint the whole eye, just for fun. The reason I'm doing something as weird as this is not because I came up with it through my own head, but because I've been watching the Umbrella Academy recently and I've just become obsessed with it. And so now on my Instagram, I'm trying to make character themed videos. And these two props are for number 5. While that's drying, I think I'm just gonna go right in with the mannequin head. So this is Dolores. I forget what Dolores looks like, so right now I'm just gonna start with a layer of peach paint and I'll just look up the details later. This video will be posted on Friday instead of Saturday because I'm sleeping over at my brother's university. So now while that's drying, I'm going to go back to the eyeball, which is still not dry yet. Okay, well, I'm impatient. So I'm going to get the iris while it's still wet and just plop it on. While everything is drying, I'm just going to look up what Dolores looks like so that I can see what I'm getting myself into. So she's got rosy cheeks, pink lips, and she's looking like this. She goes, and she's got arched eyebrows. Alright, that's easy enough. I don't know how I'm gonna give her rosy cheeks. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of red. That's a lot of red. Okay, cool, love that. That looks very harsh, so I'm gonna take some more peach and I'm just gonna blend it in. The next thing I'm gonna do is the eyebrows, and I'm probably the most scared about getting these right. I hope this doesn't turn out terribly. She looks angry. Okay, now her eyes, I don't know what color they are. They might be blue. I feel like I'm just gonna paint them blue. Okay, this is what she looks like so far, not done yet. I think I'm gonna be brave and give her eyelashes. She looks like a reptile. Okay. I think I'm done, Dolores. I think I've hurt her enough. This eye has been drying for over 45 minutes and it's still glossy. So I think I'm gonna give up, but I will show you Dolores. This is Dolores. I'm like not too upset with her. I think she's cute. The abomination of an eye. Oh well. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.